What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, time to put some new filters on the Rammer. Not an oil filter, but we're changing up the lift pump filters. Now, a lot of you guys, I'm sure, asking, well, you barely drive the thing. I know. I usually go every other oil change. So, I do oil changes on this truck every 3,000 miles. So, every 6,000 miles, I change those filters. I know some of you guys are like, are you crazy? I've had mine for a year. I keep mine for 15,000. I know, guys. I sleep better at night when I change my filters. That's it. That's just me. So, but what we're doing today, well, we're saying bye-bye to the FASS filters. And shout out to Mark DeCola. He sent me some Caterpillar filters. So we're going to pull the FASS ones off and switch over to Cat. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are seeing people switching over to Cat. I get sick and tired of FASS when pretty much, I mean, great company, you know, don't have any issues with them, but their filters, they keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and they keep getting rid of stuff, you know, like this is the water drain, you know, they've gotten rid of their water drain. They're just, I don't know what it is. I don't know if they're trying to save money or what it is, but I remember these things were big, they had drains, you know, and they keep cutting down the size. Look at this. And you can even get the bigger one for your lift pump. I got the FASS 165. The reason why I don't want the bigger one, because I don't want it hanging. I want everything hidden up top, you know, up top where it's clean looking. I don't want a massive filter sticking, you know, down under the truck. Also, if you cut these open, the pleats on this, it's a lot longer than it is with a FASS, or even, you know, an OEM oil filter, because even my oil filter on the Rammer, I've pretty much converted everything to Caterpillar. The oil filter you can see here, it is a Cat, and if you want to know the part number, I don't know. I have the part number. I don't know. Yeah, you probably can't see it there, but so that's, I've done that a Caterpillar also. So what I'm going to do now is I'm getting rid of these FASS ones that are under the truck. I got 2 extras, so if you guys want some extra FASS filters, come to the Napa store in Alpine. You can have them. Take them. I'm not going to do anything with them. I'm putting these bad boys on. So first things first, let's get it on the truck and take these things off, and I will show you which one goes to which. All right, first things first, get a drain pan so you don't make a mess everywhere, or if you're doing it outside, I guess it doesn't matter. Here are my filters right here. There you go. Oh, you can see that. So we're gonna take these bad boys off, and the one with the drain, when you get a Cat, is gonna go on this side. So this one is gonna have the long shaft coming out. This one will not. This is where the drain goes. So first things first, here we're gonna loosen these. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, guys. This bad boy off right there. So I need a drip pan. Gonna get some fuel coming out of there. Come on. Nope. That bad boy. Woo. Nothing like the good old smell of diesel in the afternoon. There's the filter. And there's your other one. Damn, it's crazy how much fuel it holds. There you go. You got them out. I don't know why, you know, I don't know the whole purpose behind it, but I know it says not to put fuel. You know, guys, I have always put fuel. I don't know, you know, I've been doing it to all my trucks. I've never had any bad luck. You know, I've never had anything go wrong. So for the people that don't, I mean, I guess I don't know the purpose, you know. I mean, I take it from my tank. I got twin filters on it. I mean, I fill my truck with this fuel, so what's the difference of filling this? And don't tell me, oh, it goes through that fuel filter or it goes through this back fuel filter. These are the only 2 filters I got on my truck, guys. I've gotten rid of the back one, and I've deactivated the front one. So these are the only 2 filters right here. If there is a reason, please let me know. Because I know it says not to, but I've always done it, and I've never had any issues filling it. So comment down below, I'm curious. Okay, so now that you're done making a mess, there's going to be an O-ring right up here. I'll show it to you guys. Some of you, if you want to replace it, you can. I would recommend you replacing the O-ring. I do, but there are people out there that, you know, have told me, oh, Eddie, I've never replaced it, or I very rarely replace it. I mean, it's up to you guys. This is the O-ring, and I mean, probably don't, but I'm gonna replace it anyways. And the Caterpillar one is this one right here. Now it is a little smaller, but you know, doesn't leak, doesn't give you no issues. Gonna put a little diesel on it like that, throw it back on here just like this. There you go. That's all the way up, just like that, guys. See that? Bam. So now we're gonna install the filters. Okay, sorry if you can't see me. Here we go. I'm gonna fill it up the way it doesn't tell you to. And I don't put a lot. You know, I'm not soaking. I like to put a little bit in there. Not, you know, not a ton. That's all I really put. That's it. It's just a little, not a little bit, but there's, you know, it's almost full. Show you guys. Well, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but you guys can see that in there. It's gonna be hard to see. Let me see. So it's not full. I mean, you can feel it. It's really heavy. It's probably sitting at the halfway mark. But yeah, it takes a lot of fuel. I can feel it. Again, I'm sure you guys are gonna tell me in the comments. I've just never had a problem. Somebody's had to have done this, and you know, I don't know, I'm not had an issue. But now I'm gonna go install this in the truck. And remember, guys, the filter with the drain on it, and here's the part number, with the drain goes on the left side, or the right side, the side that doesn't have the long shaft right there. So there's a shaft, no shaft, and we're gonna screw that right on. All right, here's filter number 2, me being the rebel that I am. You can see here, I have filled it a little bit also. And we're gonna put this on. All right, there you go, guys. They're both done and installed. And me being the rebel that I am, instead of, you know, it says 3/4 turn, I give it a little more. Also, something a little different is, I know a lot of people loosen it up. I don't. I tighten everything, and then I come in the rammer, and I will just cycle the key. So, run position. You can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Listen here. So, I do that, you know, I don't know, 4 or 5 times, and then I will start the truck up. But I will wait. So I heard that, it just timed out. So I wait for the filter to time out. So I'll shut it off, and then I'll do it again. And you'll hear the tone start changing it. And again, guys, this is just the way I do it. You know, I did it on all my trucks. I did it on the Duramax, and I've been doing it on this thing. I don't know. I don't know if it's a long-term, something long-term is gonna happen. Maybe I don't keep the trucks long enough. I don't know, but this is just my way of doing it. I've never had any air pockets, you know, had never had it turn off or die on me or anything. So, I don't know. You guys let me know. I did it 5 times, and I've just started the truck. And I'll just sit here and let it run a little bit. Some people I've heard say they've done it and it shut off. I haven't had that problem, but if it does, you know, just, I guess, bleed it out and start it back up again. But we're gonna come under here, check for any leaks under here. Let me see. I'll leave it running for a little bit. We got nothing. I can hear the pump. You can feel it also working. So, like I said, guys, this is how I do it. You know, I understand maybe it ain't the right way. but it's the way that works for me. So next step is I take the mileage down. So my mileage right there, 23,763. I will notate it, put it in my phone, and let myself know that, okay, I just put new cat filters, and I put the part number, date, and mileage of when it got replaced. And yes, I do reset that just because it's close, but I don't go off of the little, if you guys can see that, the fuel filter gauge right there. Yeah. But I'm gonna reset it anyways, I just don't go off of it. And next step, we're going to top off the truck. Oh, because we're getting ready to go to the desert. And man, if you guys got this system, these fill rights, you gotta get one of these. These things are amazing. I got one for the diesel and I got one for the fuel right there. And I mean, it's just nice, you know what you're putting in. I don't know how people have these, and it's like, how do you know what you're putting in? Also, what's nice is this thing has no gauge to tell me how much is in it. At least that one does over there. This one does not. And look at that. Oh, look at that fuel. Nice and clean. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, it took 37.8 gallons, but I don't think we're full because this is a 52-gallon tank, and it was pretty low. So we're gonna head to the gas station that's right down the street here and top it off and see how much more it's gonna take. Okay, we're full now. We went to the station for, I don't know if you guys can see that, 6.1 gallons, $30. All right, so I drove a mile for 6 more gallons. I guess she was almost full. All right, well, let's head back home. And I've had a couple of you ask me, Eddie, how did you get your screen blue? Guys, I did not change this. I did not touch this. This is how, put my seatbelt on here. This is how the truck came, was blue. So I guess some of these don't come blue. I don't know, but just to be clear, I did not request blue. I did not, tell them I wanted blue. For some reason, I keep getting more and more of you guys every time I show my truck asking me how to get blue. The only thing I changed blue was this part. You can change like different colors on the screen or the background. Like, see how this is blue? And I just did it because the gauges already came blue, so I wanted everything, to match blue. But I did not pull the dashboard. I did not take this, so I don't know, guys. I would call the dealer and ask him. All right, she's filled up, all done, ready for desert. All we gotta do is take the ding-ding out, wash her up, we're good to go. But I had one question for you guys. This is for all my desert guys out there that's got a Can-Am, or Polaris, I guess. Maybe it's the same thing, the way this works. So, you guys know I added this windshield. One thing I have realized, adding a windshield without a back windshield, it makes the inside of this freaking place a mess. I've cleaned it up already because it's driving me crazy, but full of sand. And everything I've researched told me get a rear windshield, it will fix that. So I did. I purchased a rear windshield and have installed it. I guess they say something, if you don't have a rear windshield, causes a vortex, so it'll get very messy inside, which it did. Now, the main question is, it comes with this little mirror right here. And I'm kind of iffy on installing it because it goes right here in front of the intercooler. Now, the question mainly for you guys is, does any of my subscribers out there run this? I worry about blocking this intercooler. Now, is wind gonna come in? No, but I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable blocking the intercooler off completely, which I could be already blocking it off completely with this windshield. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Just, I'm thinking maybe the wind will sort of like if you're in your truck and the window's down, the wind will, does come inside. So my thing is, maybe if I don't put that there, maybe the wind will come inside and get some fresh air in there. I don't know. But if any of you guys out there have this set up and have blocked that, let me know. I'm curious to know. Or if some of you guys say, no, I would not block that because air will come in. Just, I'm not sure. So need your guys' help on that. And for you guys asking me about this thing, yes, we're going to take it out in the desert and test it again, because some of you guys are interested in this. But for you guys that are interested in it, I actually got 3 more panels. So we have a total of 6 panels. I know, a lot of stuff to carry around. It's annoying, but this is for the people that are interested, guys. So when we head out to the desert, this thing is fully charged, ready to go. So we're going to hook up the 6 panels to it. There you go. And we're going to pretty much see if it can last. And we got the expansion pack full also. So we're going to see if it can, once we finish through the night, if it can replenish itself and pretty much fill itself back up. But, you know, who knows? We'll see. But that's all I got for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.